Hey guys, I'll be telling you all about Pammy. She's been in 2 videos, so let me go grab it. Sorry. This is Pammy. She's 1 year old. She's still a kitten. She's a purebred Siamese. Purebred point Siamese. She's not thrilled because I just made her dance on the Pammy challenge. I'm gonna put her down, but Pammy, she's pure point. She's a pure point Siamese purebred. I got a flea in a barn, and she's a purebred. She's very fluffy. Pammy has these nice blue eyes. Pammy. Oh God, no! The chair's not high enough. Hold on. She has nice blue, light blue around her eyes. And that's all you want to know about Pammy. Oh yeah, and she got the name Pammy because she jumped into a pan. Yeah, guys. Bye.